I'm Maz and welcome to week 25 of Babies and Books. The idea of Babies and Books is all about showing you different ways of sharing books with your little ones, really engaging with them and spending some lovely quality time together. So we always start our sessions with our little name song and say hello to you all. Here we go. If we've got our waving hands ready. Hello Mason, hello Mason, hello Mason, it's nice to have you here. Hello Chris, hello Chris, hello Chris, it's nice to have you here. Hello Washan, hello Washan, hello Washan, it's nice to have you here. Hooray! You're all busily joining in there. So last week and the week before we were talking all about colours. So we're going to continue it this week and we're going to sing the rainbow song. Okay, here we go. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. We'll sing that one again. Here we go. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Okay, and our next song, Baba Black Sheep. Here we go. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Okay, and the last song, our colour song. So here we go. If you're wearing any red, if you're wearing any red, if you're wearing any red, put your finger on your head. If you're wearing any red, if you're wearing any pink, if you're wearing any pink, if you're wearing any pink, give us a little wink. If you're wearing any pink, if you're wearing any black, if you're wearing any black, if you're wearing any black, give yourself a pat on the back. If you're wearing any black, Yay! Well done, everybody. So what my plan is today is to show you all the different, some of the different types of books that we've got here at the library that you could come and borrow, all about colour. Now, having some knowledge about different colours is really important, and really important in later life, so we can learn that red is for danger, the colour of the traffic lights, red is for hot, blue is for cold, for example. It's really important to get your little ones to learn their colours. So we have lots of lovely books to help with this. So this one's Paper Peak Colours, and you'll see it's got little cutouts. So it's got like a little bear, and you can count the different objects that you can find as well. So these colour books are really, really interactive for you and your little ones. So this one here has big flaps. So even for the smallest of hands, they're really easy to grab and to pull up and down. So again, a really interactive book, really engaging them and talking about different colours, for example. Find your favourite blue things. Now, as I've said it before in some of these sessions, the babies do see in black and white first. So we've got a lovely black and white book here. And it actually says it stimulates your baby's vision. So in looking at the black and white there. And this is a lovely textured book as well. So you can put your baby's hand on it, or depending on how old they are, they can have a feel of the different pages as well. And the last one that I've got to show you here is another touch and feel book. So again, it's got lots of lovely bits. So it's got nice soft bits here. And I'm sure there's a squishy green frog. There we are. A squishy green frog in this book as well. So as you have a look through the books, just talk about the different colours and say sort of like, oh look, we've got a green frog. And I also had a little look around the house as well to see what I could find of different colours. So we've got, you could maybe do a colour a day or something like that, for example. So find things that are all red maybe one day. So I've got a red pom-pom, building block, just things that you can find around the house. Little red dolly there as well, and a cup, a ball, a car, just everyday objects. And if you put them all together, it's a really good visual for your little ones to be able to see and start to learn and appreciate that there's different colours all around them. Okay, don't forget that we have got Babies and Books here at Mould, and they're on a Friday, and we hope to see you all in the library soon. We've also got rhyme time sessions that are carrying on all over the summer holidays too. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Au revoir.